This 5-minute solution will show you how to connect Rockstar games to Steam. First of all, you have to download and install the Rockstar Games launcher, and you will get this Rockstar Games launcher download link in this video description. So all you have to do is just download the Rockstar Games launcher and install it and launch the Rockstar Games launcher. Now open your Steam app, make sure to sign into your account and then click on add a game, and here select add a non-Steam game, and here you will get list of apps your computer have. So all you have to need from this list, you have to search for Rockstar Game Launcher, and then you have to select the Rockstar Game Launcher and click on add selected programs, and after that your Rockstar games will be connected with your Steam. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.